The imagination of creators worldwide is being captured by 8K 360 cameras. There are two primary competitors in this arena, the QooCam 3 Ultra and the Insta360 X4. However, which option is genuinely superior? It is recommended that we conduct a comparison of their capabilities and functionality. Let's start with how these cameras feel in your hand. The QooCam 3 Ultra is a bit of a heavyweight, tipping the scales at 336 grams with the battery. It's built like a tank with an IP68 rating, meaning you can take it underwater up to 10 meters. If you like a camera with some heft, this one's got you covered. Now the Insta360 X4 is more of a featherweight at about 239 grams. It's also waterproof to 10 meters without needing an extra case. One cool thing about the X4 is it comes with removable lens guards. That's handy if you're worried about scratches. Both cameras feature touch screens for easy control, but the Insta360 X4 edges ahead with its larger 2.5-inch display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. This larger screen can be a real advantage when framing shots or adjusting settings in the field. For everyday use, the X4 wins on portability. But if you're rough on your gear, you might appreciate the sturdy feel of the QooCam. Now let's talk about how these cameras actually perform. The QooCam 3 Ultra has some impressive specs. It's got dual 1x1.7-inch sensors with an f1.6 aperture. What does that mean for you? Well, it's great for shooting when the light isn't perfect. It also takes 96 megapixel photos. That's huge if you like to print your shots or need really detailed images. The Insta360 X4 isn't slouching either. It takes 72 megapixel photos. That's still a big step up from older models and more than enough for most uses. When it comes to color, the QooCam 3 Ultra tries to match what your eye sees. It's aiming for realism. The X4, on the other hand, has this neat 360 degrees active HDR mode. It's great for scenes with both bright and dark areas. Both cameras have fancy stabilization tech. The QooCam calls it super steady, while the X4 uses flow state stabilization with 360 degrees horizon lock. In real life, they both do a good job of keeping your shots smooth, even if you're moving around a lot. When it comes to video, 8K is the headline feature for both cameras. They can each shoot 8K footage at 30 frames per second, which is seriously impressive for cameras of this size. The QooCam 3 Ultra offers 5.7K recording at 60 frames per second and can push all the way to 4K at 120 frames per second. This gives you a lot of flexibility for slow motion shots. The Insta360 X4 matches these specs and adds 4K 100 FPS to the mix, giving you even more options for high frame rate shooting. Stitching quality is crucial for 360 cameras, and both models have their own approach. The QooCam 3 Ultra uses an advanced RAW Plus algorithm to blend the footage from its two lenses seamlessly. The Insta360 X4 relies on its powerful 5nm AI chip to handle stitching, which can result in very clean joints between the two hemispheres of video. Audio is often overlooked in 360 cameras, but it's a crucial part of the immersive experience. The Cam 3 Ultra provides quadraphonic sound, capturing audio from all directions. The Insta360 X4 takes a different approach, offering compatibility with Bluetooth headsets for clear audio recording, which can be a game changer for vloggers and other content creators who prioritize sound quality. Both cameras come loaded with features to help you capture creative shots. The QooCam 3 Ultra comes with 10-bit color and a Dr. Boost mode that video pros will love. If you enjoy tinkering with your footage in post-production, you'll appreciate these features. It's also got a built-in GPS, which is super handy for travel videos or virtual tours. When it comes to smart features, the Insta360 X4 takes the lead. Its AI reframing and subject detection capabilities can automatically create compelling edits from your 360 footage. The QooCam 3 Ultra counters with built-in GPS, which can be incredibly useful for mapping and virtual tour applications. Both cameras have time-lapse and hyper-lapse modes, but the X4 goes further with fun modes like bullet time for ease of use and quick shareable content. The X4 is the clear winner. But if you want more control and don't mind a steeper learning curve, the QooCam 3 Ultra might be more your style. So, which camera is right for you? The QooCam 3 Ultra is great if you're into serious filmmaking or love tinkering with your footage. It's got top-notch image quality and pro features at $599. It's pricier, but worth it if you'll use those advanced features, and the Insta360 X4 priced at $500 is perfect if you want to create cool videos without much fuss. So, that's all about the QooCam 3 Ultra and Insta360 X4. What do you think? Have you used either of these? What features matter most to you? Let us know in the comments. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.